YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Buck here, and I'm about to react to the homie Chainsaw Reacts video he made called Different Types of Reactors. I missed this video. I was supposed to react to this a while ago, but like I said, I was busy, man. So I'm finally getting around to taking care of it for him and see how it's looking. So let's go.
Ooh, yes! Oh my god, this is so good! Oh my god!
Oh shit.
Oh.
They got that shit dead in the corner.
Wow, he looks so freaking old, man. Holy crap.
Camera holder.
You just need to find a woman like you.
Oh shit.
Yes. Yes. Hey! Baby Groot!
Sometimes this is me, definitely. Sometimes my video, my face be right here. I don't even pay attention to it till afterwards.
Yeah! Oh my god! Dude! Oh my god!
This is definitely me sometimes, the runner.
Alright, I ran out of patience. On the roof!
Yeah, this is me sometimes too. Terrible lighting. My shit be horrible.
Oh my god!
Yo!
What? Yes!
This is actually funny, man. I ain't gonna front.
Dude, this is freaking epic!
That shit ain't that bad, though. Yeah, I did this a couple of times too.
See, I'm not sure about that, see, because he looks really strange with the ripples and stuff, and there's no real ears there, and that's obviously fake, obviously, that he's not really in nature and all that. I'm not really sure about this.
I've done this too.
I gotta turn this down, it's too loud. I'm not sure about that alien either. That looks interesting. He's not gonna die, don't even show that, it's not even no point. Look, she obviously gets the hit in. Okay, a bunch of kicking and fighting explosions like a Michael Bay movie. What the hell's going on right now? I mean, seriously, what is going on right now? I don't understand. Of course, you're gonna stand up and look all badass. Bullshit, oh, they're kissing, who cares?
The overcrowded? That's probably me. Let me see. Oh, no, that ain't me.
Yes.
There were stories about what happened.
That's not me. I try to keep that to a minimum.
Yes. Yes. Oh my god.
I knew he was gonna throw a Jar Jar in there somewhere, man.
A very personal thank you to both of you. It was an honor. Madam President, it was nothing. And I still can't believe I got to see Air Force One. If you think that's cool, you ought to see my other jet.
Madam President, I am still wary of your policy.
It's not enough to defend the world, Sean. You need to live in it too.
I got it. I got it.
Oh, I know I be fucking up editing too.
What have you done?
Ooh! Oh my god! Yes! Oh shit. do a reaction. Let's get into this.
Yeah, that was dope. That was dope. When you was in the when you said you was making this video in the group, I didn't know what to expect. I'm like, damn, because you was like, hope nobody take offense to us. So I'm like, damn, he gonna be shooting at niggas and shit, man. So I'm thinking to myself is, oh man, let me go in, not to get mad, but that shit was actually funny. You need to do more skits, bro. That was actually funny. If people get as sensitive about that, then they just get too butthurt about everything. Because that was actually funny, especially the minimalist one where the had the screen was like this big. You did your thing on that, man. Bro, that was dope. That was dope. I think I'm up close and personal, because I know sometimes I be having the joint and I can't. I really need glasses, so I'm not like this. I be like this holding the camera, so I'm definitely up close and personal. And sometimes I do talk a little too much, though. But this is actually amazing. I thought it was gonna, like I said before, I really thought this was gonna be like some offensive shit. This was dope. This was very funny. You know what I'm saying? It had a lot of humor in it, because you know these kind of people who do this. So it's like, damn, this reminds me of so and so and so and so. But it was in a good way. It wasn't in like a I'm trying to put you down type of way. So I respect this, man. Salute to you, bro. This was dope. And yeah, but I'll definitely leave a link to his channel in the description. Y'all probably all subscribe to him anyway. He got way more subs than me. But y'all subscribe to Chainsaw Reacts, and like, comment, share, subscribe. Peace.